Key aspects of literacy development. Hello everyone, I'm Shaji Philip and welcome to my vlog. Today I will explore key aspects of literacy development and how they apply to students across different grades and content areas. We will cover a variety of topics from conjugative processes involved in reading and evidence-based practices for improving comprehension. Let's dive in. The process and purpose of reading, conjugative and psychological processes involved in reading. Reading involves decoding symbols to dive meanings. This process engages multiple conjugative functions, including visual processing, phonological processing, working memory, and long-term memory. Psychologically, reading is influenced by factors such as motivation, engagement, and readers' background knowledge and experiences. Purpose of reading. Reading serves several important purposes. One of them is acquiring knowledge, understanding, and pleasure. The role of morphology and contextual analysis. Morphology is the study of word formation and structure. Understanding the roots, prefixes, and suffixes helps in decoding and constructing new words, which is crucial for vocabulary development. Contextual analysis. Contextual analysis involves using the surrounding text to infer the meaning of unknown words. This method enhances vocabulary by allowing readers to deduce meaning without relying completely on dictionaries. For example, encountering a word, photosynthesis, in a passage about plants and light can help the student to infer the meaning. Evidence-based practices for teaching phonic awareness to English learners. Strategies for teaching phonic awarenesses. Segmenting and blending sounds, teaching students to break down words into individual sounds and blend them together. Phonemic substitution, practicing changing one sound into a word to create a new word. Using visual aids and manipulatives, employing tools like letter titles or flashcards. Specific practices for English learners. Language experience approach, connecting phonemic awareness activities to students' own experience and words they already know. Modeling and repetition, demonstrating sound patterns and having students repeat them. Utilizing an English learner's home language to support phonemic development. Benefits of leveraging home language. Using learners' home language can build on existing linguistic knowledge, ease of transition to learning phonics in English, and strengthen conjugative connections between two languages. Classroom implementation examples of bilingual learners by connecting home language and the target language. Bilingual books and resources. Using materials that present information in both home language and English. Peer support. Peering students who share a home language for collaborative learning. Conjugative recognition. Highlighting words that are similar in both languages. Necessary components for effective comprehension. Well-developed language skills, higher order thinking processes, self-corrections strategies. Improving comprehension in English learners with evidence-based practices, explicit instruction in comprehension strategies, teaching specific techniques like summarizing, predicting, and questioning, scaffolded reading experiences, gradually increasing the complexity of text with appropriate support. Interactive read alouds, engaging students in discussing and reflections about the text. These methods help the students for evidence-based practices in learning. Improving comprehension in English learners with evidence-based practices. Examples for teachers. Teachers can use graphic organizers, think aloud method of reading, and multisensory approaches like including auditory, visual, and kinesthetic activities to reinforce their learning. Conclusion. To summarize, understanding the conjugative and psychological processes involved in reading, the role of morphology and contextual analysis, and the benefits of leveraging learners' home language are crucial for literacy development. Additionally, implementing evidence-based practices can significantly improve phonemic awareness and comprehension for English learners, including those with reading difficulties and dyslexia. Thank you.